Great.
So wait, let me just set on my phone this time. I'll sit down. Alright. 5, 4, 3.
Give me the fucking water. Pineapple juice for all from the Wait!
We're all gonna die!
Hey!
Is that something we... Hold on! Start the video!
2, 1, and go! Welcome to
PixelStarGamers!
Man!
What the
It's what?
Oh my god! Oh!
What the
Look at my arm!
I didn't know he was Mr. Fantastic!
Mr. Fantastic is the best at freaking gunfight. Oh man, how did that happen? Oh my god!
I didn't know he was double jointed.
Double joint.
From the neck down.
Okay, let's see. That door closed behind me. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on.
I think we broke the game.
Okay, hold on. Okay, I stopped doing that.
Well,
Shut up, Scott. Wait, hold on. You see these cameras? This is the porno right here. Oh my god.
I can't breathe.
You buy this on special edition at the
At like the gaming conventions.
yeah, at the gaming conventions. This is the gal games that they sell to you. Oh my god, anti-special.
Oh fuck. Okay.
Oh, I thought you just made a noise. Okay.
Let's go.
Alright. Well, now that episode's over, welcome back to PixelStarGamers.
Gamer.
Motherfucker!
It's gamers.
You've done that so much!
Wait, why didn't they showed up and shot us? Were they too entertained at how we're double jointed?
No. They were enjoying some of that double joint action. They didn't even want to shoot at me.
They're like, dude, we should shoot him. No.
Look
Let him continue.
Let him film himself. That's how we make money.
Later, after we destroy Angel's company, she gets $1 million from that video.
She makes a whole like enterprise off of that singular video. That's how she builds back up her empire.
Yes!
What the fuck? Hold on.
I hate you.
Give me this thing. This is a shotgun? Love it. Give it back. Okay. Do I go down with him?
You can.
Nah, I'm done. Yeah. If there's nowhere else to go, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Is she down here? Hello? Oh, okay. Wait. They shouldn't have something so closed up in this game where you can barely control your arms. Because then I'll probably just end up doing this the whole time. It doesn't have the same effect, but it still looks dumb. Okay.
I want him dead!
Oh, no, not okay.
Oh, hey, look, some armor.
Oh, hey. Boom.
Don't move! Freeze! I lost him! There you are!
Put some fucking clothes on. Shit. You see that black guy run at me with just nothing.
He is burnt as fuck.
He's actually doing a good job keeping that thing on, though. I respect him for that. Hold on, wait, whoa.
You have 2 shotguns.
Yeah. That's how you know I'm overpowered.
I'm sad to say that's true.
Freaking, why are they even add these shotguns into the game if they know they're just gonna kill everything? Oh! He's double
Triple.
Oh. Alright. Thanks, checkpoint. You take a breather. Alright. Oh, hey. Watch out with all that. Hey!
Don't move!
There's too many freaking naked guys in the mist. I don't
With
trust.
shotguns.
Yeah, with shotguns.
Where is it?
Little do we know that that's not actually shotguns.
It's dildos.
You can interpret that any way you can, but I'm keeping it at that.
I said it's a bunch of shooting dildos.
They're just all reaching climax. That's not even funny.
This is pretty fucking sad.
This is a sad. These freaking guys just shooting loads everywhere, and I can't get out of this fucking mist.
Wait, there was some armor.
Where?
Right there.
Hey! I'm totally gonna get this without getting. Oh, butt plug! You know, butt plug is a very funny concept. Stop him right now.
Hey, you!
That wasn't a good play, actually.
Oh shit. I guess he finally died.
Yeah, maybe. What's going on?
Isaiah's annoying me.
Don't get so annoyed by his idea.
He's touching my shit without my permission. I don't go in his room and like touch everything
I
in.
didn't know that he had a room, actually.
He does.
No, I've been to your house, but I didn't think you had a room in
He
it.
does.
Have the place in which I put up my tent.
Surrender!
Why am I fighting so many guys with powers?
It's you and me now.
Isaiah, I really hate you. I hate you so much.
The way of the Indians, my own TP. So I follow you, man.
You are such.
Oh, it holds more than 10. That thing's crazy.
We should keep it until we run out.
Yeah, I'm keeping it, and then I'm just using this shotgun. I'm winning the entire game like this.
Winning.
You son of a bitch. I'm gonna get so angry. What's so special about you? You're just like every freaking other guy. Oh wait, you don't die in one shot. Oh yeah, he's more naked than everybody else. He takes no bullets. Hold on, guy. Times. There you go. What? This guy's the greatest. Oh.
You can't go in the room.
Oh my god.
Can't.
Ew.
Shoot him.
He's just laying back thinking about what he's done.
What the fuck?
I hate that so much, but it's what's normal here. Just enemies gotta despawn after like 10 seconds of death.
God damn it.
They gotta make way for all of this game's really high quality graphics. Damn, all that hard. She's got really hard poker skills, you know?
Go after
Hold on, I'm gonna grab the ammo in here first.
the Uzi ammo.
Shit, there was a shotgun on. This guy was not using a Uzi. Hello! Hey! Please
Okay,
don't.
okay, I give up. Did you really have to
Yes.
destroy absolutely everything? Yes, I've seen Ryuichi, but not lately. He's not here.
Stand still, I'm trying to make you a porno cover. Shit! Get over
It's Jerome! Oh no, Jerome!
Why was Jerome freaking the fuck out? Did you notice that?
My brother from another mother.
My brother from my own mother.
Wait, you're black?
Hey, don't talk about my mother, okay? She's been around the block. Oh, I thought I died. What is that? Why? That's probably not a good idea. Oh wait, I'm always.
You have 80 ammo. Holy shit.
This thing holds 20. This thing's fucking crazy.
Oh
What a waste of ammo. But that was so much. Wait, hold on.
no. There's no fall damage.
Fall damage. Who needs it? God fucking damn it, Jerome.
Jerome, I thought you died. Thank God you're alive. Oh no,
That was
Jerome!
green shirt, Jerome. Why didn't you drive away?
You stupid bitch.
If she was not down for hanging out with me, then she should have drove away.
Maybe she thinks she would have got shot. And look how compact that fucking car is.
They'd bomb down my place and shoot through me just to get you? Alright then. If this is all I mean to that ungrateful jerk, I don't
What's
owe
wrong?
him a damn thing. He's hiding in an
If there was
auto body
not,
shop
like,
in South LA.
words on the
It's
screen.
called Extreme Wheels. That's the auto body shop.
Take
Hey
a car while
man,
you're
we're gonna
at it.
open auto body shop.
It has a remote
We're gonna
to
call it
open the gates to the
Extreme
parking lot.
Wheel.
Why does that sound familiar? It's not a Hot Wheels brand or anything. Hey, our accuracy got 4% better.
They're counting all those shots that I wanted to hit, but I didn't try.
Extreme.
Should I keep going or should you take over?
Do you want to keep going?
I can keep going.
I think you should let Jesus take the wheel.
Richard?
Jesus help me, I've forgotten how to drive. Is that really the first thing I've ever
Why
done?
is it so compact? And why does it look the same to that car over there?
What the fuck? Look at that. I love it. Yeah, but you know what was so annoying to me? Like, as soon as we spawn, you hear that cliche, like, car alarm. You heard it, right?
Yes, I heard it.
Oh, credits. That's the end of the game, folks.
I didn't expect all that.
Those cars carry like 1,000 pounds. Of course it explodes.
I shot the window.
It still hits it and ignites the fire. Oh my lord.
Yeah, in the gas tank.
Yeah, no, the nitroglycerin.
Shut up. Nitroglycerin.
I'm not kidding.
Do you want to fight?
A lot of drag racing. with
Don't,
nitroglycerin.
don't start with your drag racing trivia.
And Need for Speed 3.
In Need for Speed 3. In Need for Speed 3, they use this.
Do it again.
I'm telling them to stand back.
Do it again. It's my turn anyways. Just do it. Alright. Yeah.
Why do fans fly out? I guess it's your turn either way.
Okay, that's pretty fucking awesome.
Shoot the window and I guess everything explodes.
Through the wall?
he's actually gonna be like, hey,
That Albert?
he's got a baseball bat.
It's the big guy from Bitburger.
Oh no! That one funny comedian black kid we know from Nickelodeon.
Oh,
Saturday Night Live.
you mean Ken and Thomas?
Only it's Kenan. The big one.
Kenan and Kellen, Kenan.
Yeah, but not the skinny one. He's not there.
Oh, so Kenan.
Yeah. I heard the other guy got because he had amnesia, so he got named and being adopted.
He did, actually. That's kind of what happened.
Hashtag.
You really gonna kill that nigga like that?
Whoa, man! Just for doing that, and plus if I kill him, because the main character's white, that would have been racist.
He bows down to you.
Yeah. Bow down to the supreme
I
race.
expect him to be all like, "You too chicken shit to kill me, huh? You too chicken shit to kill me, huh?"
I think that was the point.
Wait, hold on.
And he disappears.
Wait, go back. No, not that. Well, you can shoot that if you want. But I was talking about, isn't that the WM they have in all our trash cans? WM? Yeah.
I think every city has that.
It's all the same?
Probably. I don't fucking know.
I didn't know like they dealt with the trash all the same in every single city.
Well, it's LA.
Well, Cali.
I was hired to fix boosted Japanese
Don't
cars,
shoot
not to
that
ship
dude.
guns to Japan.
Okay, then shoot that dude. Oh, he took that shotgun shell like a real boss, bro.
I feel sorry because I killed Ben again.
That color. I don't remember anything. All I remember is I was annoyed because I didn't think the concept of Ben 10 was all that smart. I thought it was dumb.
That was cool. Having a bunch of aliens inside a watch and then sell it as a toy and then make you think you become an alien.
Yeah, but a watch.
And then go out and say fuck the gang members and turning into an alien and then get gunned down like a bitch.
But like,
That's
I
every
remember when he
kid.
meets his older self and he's like, I'm Ben 10,000.
Because apparently it's
Parallel
I can't hold this game. I can't hold it out. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
You probably don't know why, but yeah, we're okay.
Alright, that's cool. Well, anyway, this is from everybody from PixelStarGamers.
Oh, okay.
See you next time.
That epic belly flop.
Next time on Pixel Arts Gaming /ers, we're gonna checkpoint.
That's it. That's
Bye.
penis.
Swag.